So we are planting garlic today. Usually every year we buy around 110 pounds of garlic and we break it apart and we plant it in our fields. But the goal with garlic is that every year you should be able to save your biggest heads and then replant them for the following year. And this is the first year we're able to do it at that capacity. So you can see our cloves are huge. This is the music variety, a hardneck variety. And what we've done is these were ones that we grew in our field. We cured them in the greenhouse, we trimmed the tops, and we stored them until now. About late October is when you want to plant these. Thank you, Benny. And all we did was we broke these apart. I'll show you. Okay, so we broke these apart, and each head has individual cloves, and then the hard neck variety, you can see it has that big neck in the middle. And you want to break this apart while keeping the skins intact. So we were breaking all of the cloves apart like that, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 came out of this head. So I've got all 9, we'll say garlic seeds, and the skins should be intact on the outside. And that's what we did on repeat for around 110 pounds of garlic heads. So that's what we have in the half bushels here. We have about 4, maybe 5 of these full, and we have them on our planter. So Ryan yesterday planted beautiful rows of plastic. You'll be able to see that here in a minute. And what we're gonna do is write on these seats, and with these in our hands, we're just gonna plant them into the plastic. And again, it is October, so these are going to go in the ground now and be protected and safe for the winter. And then in the spring, we'll send up their shoots, and then around July-ish is when we will harvest the bulb. So we'll show you here how we plant. And if you have any questions about how you're planting at home, or maybe want to share some of your setups, I would love to see in the comments. How far apart is garlic supposed to be?
9 inches.
And what are we gonna do?
Because we got double drip, so we gotta get one here, one here, one here.
Maybe Hayden's going to check it out too. Make sure the dirt's okay. Sir, what are you doing?
Mama, may I just stand on your back?
So each of these wheels, he's measuring the spacing from one hole to the next, and he needs to do it for 3 rows. So he's not only measuring this, he's also doing the distance between. Since we only have 2 wheels right now that can do this, we're gonna do a double wheel, and then we're gonna come back around and do a single wheel to get the 3. So the spacing's a really important part of the puzzle. The double drip, like he said, is the drip tape here. These are...
Mama.
Thank you, honey. These are the irrigation lines. So this is how we water and or fertilize the garlic in the spring. So these will just stay here in the ground until we hook them up in the springtime.